After the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, Pompeii went untouched until the year 1748. A band of explorers uncovered every archaeologist's dream. A city just as it was 2,000 years ago. The ash had preserved everything amazingly well, from buildings to everyday objects. Most creepily of all, bodies were found covered in hardened ash. They were like statues, still in the poses they had been when they died, cowering from the eruption in their homes, or trying to run away. After the discovery of the city frozen in time, everything to do with Pompeii was all the rage. People even copied the building designs for their own homes. Since Pompeii was rediscovered, almost 3 centuries of excavation work has revealed more exciting hints about what life was like. You can still visit the city today and feel like a time traveler.